Yeah, we're starting to see that line of storms come in. Oh, wow, look at the, this is a pretty good amount of wind here. This is a severe warning storm here near Emporia. We're seeing the sign. The sign is really shaking down here. And yeah, we're still seeing the lightning from the other storm out here. But this is actually a really unique view. We're getting the weather from the line of storms behind the camera, and then we're still seeing the storm out in front. That, I don't know if that was a power flash or just lightning that we saw weird, but yeah, there's something right here. What is that? I saw it again right here. That was not lightning. It looked like a power flash. Let's look at that storm real quick. I don't think it was a tornadic power flash. If anything, it was a power flash from the leading edge, the high winds in here.